Hello everyone, how's it going? And welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Before this video gets started, if you're interested in becoming a Lyft driver and you want to get a sign-on bonus, go ahead and use the link in the description to sign up. Alright, hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thanks so much for coming by. So today's video, I have a very quick video. I wanted to update you all because I have been hearing a lot about this and I did some research and I wanted to share something with you. So a lot of drivers have been contacting me or posting in our Facebook group, which is also in the link in the description if you want to join that. And they've been saying that they've been getting a $1,000 cash bonus from Lyft. Or one guy even said that he got a $10,000 cash bonus from Lyft. So I wanted to make this video very quickly and let you all know why that is happening. And if you know anyone who got this bonus, yeah, this is why it's going on. Or maybe you even got that bonus. So if you guys didn't know, Lyft filed for their IPO, which is their initial public offering, and that is supposed to be coming out in the next couple of weeks actually, that they're gonna go public. And nothing is, you know, set in stone on a date or anything. It all boils down basically to the SEC, I believe, the Securities Exchange Commission. But something that Lyft is doing as they're approaching this is that they're giving cash bonuses out to certain drivers, not every driver, but certain drivers, for the sake of purchasing stock. So a lot of companies, when they reach their IPO, their initial public offering, which basically now they're entering into the public stock market, a lot of companies will give their employees stocks or stock options, you know, the ability to purchase stocks at a low rate. However, as Lyft drivers and Uber drivers, this is just specific to Lyft, but I wouldn't be surprised if Uber did this as well. Lyft is, you know, they can't necessarily give stocks to their workers because as Lyft drivers, you know, you're a, you know, you're on a 1099, you're not in a W-2, you know, you don't have benefits or anything. So instead of giving stocks to the drivers, to us, they're just giving out cash bonuses, which basically Lyft is saying, you know, you can use it to purchase stocks or you can just, you know, take the cash bonus. And this is just a way to give back to drivers who, yeah, have been with Lyft for a long time. So sorry, there's people driving by, I'm getting a little distracted. So the people who are getting, so anyone who has done 10,000 rides, 10,000 rides on Lyft before February 25th will be getting a $1,000 cash bonus. Anyone who has completed 20,000 trips before February 25th of 2019 is getting a $10,000 cash bonus. So for any drivers who have been driving for Lyft basically from the beginning and, you know, has been doing it full time and has over 10,000, you're getting a $1,000 bonus. Anyone 20,000 trips or more, you're getting a $10,000 cash bonus. Now, there is another set of people who are getting these cash bonuses, and this is anyone in the driver advisory board. Now, I don't know exactly what that is, but if you're in the driver advisory board for Lyft, you will be getting a $1,000 cash bonus as well. And I'm gonna leave a link in the description to a really good article that details all of this. You know, I can only go over so much depth and, you know, I don't wanna make this video too long. So if you wanna read more, you can. But yeah, I just wanted to let you all know. And I actually think that this is a cool thing that Lyft is doing. And because, you know, they do wanna give back to the drivers and they wanna show their appreciation for drivers. And it also actually helps them in their IPO because, you know, a really good thing since it is the public stock market, you know, they want to get a good, good public figure, if you will, or public image for the public, which is basically you and me who, you know, they want people to invest in the stock market and buy Lyft stock. So I'm actually probably going to purchase some Lyft stock and just for the fun of this YouTube channel. And you know, I'll share with you guys weekly my updates on how the Lyft stock is doing and how much money I lose, or hopefully even I can make a little bit of money off of it. So anyways guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and comment below, are you going to be purchasing the Lyft stock? And let me know how many rides you've completed on Lyft so far. Once again, if you want to subscribe for more daily Uber and Lyft videos, you can. And otherwise, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time. All right, bye guys.